Hey Hadley, what are we drawing today?
Crayons.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. What are we using?
Our markers.
Yeah, we're using markers to draw crayons. But if you want, you could use crayons to draw crayons. Well, anything really, even colored pencils. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing our crayon box. In the middle of our paper, we're gonna draw the opening and then the crayon sticking out. We're gonna draw, it looks like a smile. We're gonna draw a boat shape for the middle of the opening. And then we can draw a diagonal line coming out to the left and also out to the right to match on both sides. And then we're gonna draw the side of our crayon box coming down. Well, it's gonna be a big crayon box.
Yes.
And then down here at the bottom, I'm gonna turn my paper sideways, but we're gonna connect, and I'm adding a little curve in the corner, but you could just keep a sharp corner if you want. Yes, okay, now we need our crayons sticking out of the box. First, we're gonna draw a line right down the middle. I'm gonna draw it about here and draw it straight down. And then we're gonna draw, so this is the width of our crayon. We're gonna draw another crayon here and another crayon to match on the other side. So that's how wide our crayons are, the big jumbo ones.
The big crayons.
Big crayons.
Yes.
And then let's draw another one. And we wanna try to match the same width right here. So we just use our eyes. You could measure with a ruler if you want, but we're just gonna use our eyes to guess. Yes, and then we're gonna add one more crayon on the end and try to keep the same distance so they're all the same width. Yes, okay, now let's draw the top of our crayons, and we could just keep it really easy and just draw a straight line. It's kind of curved, but that's okay. Yes, okay, and then we're gonna draw, this is the wrapper. We're gonna draw another line right below it. Okay, and now we need to draw the tip of our crayon so that it's easy to draw with. We're gonna draw an upside down V, but we want the top of the crayon to not be too sharp. Usually they got a little flat spot when they're brand new.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna be really close to the edge. I'm gonna do this side first. We're gonna be really close to the edge of the crayon. We're gonna come up, add a little flat spot, and then we're gonna come down and really close to this edge. Yes. It looks like a traffic cone. Okay, then we're gonna repeat that same, we'll come up to the same height, then add another flat spot, and then come down to the other side. That one's a little thicker. And then we're gonna do another one. This one's gonna be thinner. That's okay, they're a little bit different.
Thicker.
That one's thicker too. Yeah. And then we could just repeat that for all of our crayons. This one got used a little more. I think if you make them slightly taller, then it'll look more natural. So I think if you make them kind of tall, then okay, this one's really thick. I like them. Okay, there's our crayons, except now let's add more to the box. Let's make it more 3D. We're gonna draw a diagonal line that comes in on each side so that it looks like they're inside. And then we can draw the lid. So let's draw two lines coming up on each side. Yes, and then we're gonna draw a horizontal line going across to connect. And then I'm gonna add that same kind of curve that tucks into this spot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now let's draw the little tabs too on the sides. So let's draw two diagonal lines coming out and two coming out on the side to match. Yes, and then we're gonna draw a line, a diagonal line to connect those two. And we did it. Oh, except it's not very funny. It just looks like regular crayons. We always like to make ours cute or funny. What are we missing?
A funny face.
Yeah, a funny face. Yes. Let's add a funny face right here. I'm gonna add kissy lips. I've been drawing my mouse all the same, but this time I'm gonna draw kissy lips. It looks like the number 3.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Yeah, and then we're gonna draw eyes. You could draw a winky eye. Oh yeah, I'm gonna draw a winky eye. on the left, and then an open eye on the right. You could change this though. It doesn't have to be the same as ours. You could draw the mouth open. Austin likes to draw his mouth screaming or singing, but you could draw it yelling or really happy like it's laughing.
This one's cute.
Yeah, this one's cute. Then we drew a little highlight inside and then color in the big circle. And you added eyelashes.
Of course.
Rule number 1. Okay, but we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you could pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. But you could change the colors any way you want. I think we should do a rainbow for the crayons, and then we could also use yellow and green for the box. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring our crayons. It looks like Crayola crayons now.
It does.
With the yellow and the green.
Yeah.
And also we added a little design on the crayons.
But you could change it if you want.
Yeah, you don't have to color it the same as us. You could change your drawing. You could add a background. Oh, maybe your hand is coming in to grab one of the crayons. Oh, and you could also add funny faces to each of the crayons.
That'd be funny. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing crayons.
I'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.